Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your teacher Aksa Faisal, and I'm going to teach you the subject of science. This is our fourth lecture in week 2, and the topic is living things and their environment. Okay, students, I want you all to open up your book, unit number 4, page number 47 of your science textbook. Okay, the topic is adaptation, which we are going to read today. What is adaptation? Adaptation is basically a process of change in which an organism changes according to the environment which suits to its survival. And here is also the definition given in your book that all living things grow and change. When an animal or plant changes to fit its surroundings, we say it has adapted to its surroundings. The special body parts that a plant or animal develops to adopt a particular place or living condition are called adaptations. So, adaptations are very much important for the survival of living organisms. Okay, dear students, now we will see the process of adaptation in animals, that how it takes place in animals. For example, an animal has some special features to be best suited in a specific environment. This is called adaptation in animals. In fact, nature has given some physical features to every animal to protect itself against some weather aspects or some animals. So it would called adaptation process in animals. Animals protect themselves to survive. Some move fast. They have strong legs and can run away from their enemies. Some are huge. They do not have many enemies apart from man. Some hide. Animals like the zebra, many types of fish, insects, and parakeet can hide because of their colors. For example, an Arctic fox is white. It cannot be seen easily against the snow so that it can never be captured easily. So these are all called adaptation in animals. All the physical features which protect the animals from harsh weather, their enemies, and the other dangerous elements are included in adaptations. Besides having these physical features to protect themselves against the enemies and the external danger, they are also given the special body parts to find food as well. Like beak of a hummingbird is adapted for taking nectar from deep inside a flower. A pelican has a large beak with a pouch to store fish. Like for it means that a pelican is given the large beak for this purpose, and a mosquito mouth is shaped like a needle to stab the stem of a plant or the skin of an animal. So the food is interlinked with the physical features and the physical structure of the animals as well as insects, the living organism. Like the tiger has strong legs to run after other animals. It uses its strong claws and teeth to catch and eat flesh of the other animals. Like the tiger is given with kind of the teeth which convenient the tiger's way to tear up the flesh of another animal. So this is also called adaptation. Dear students, now it's all about today's reading and lecture. We are just going ahead. This is question number 6 of your exercise. Match the animals to their adaptations on page number 55. Like you just have to match the animal and then the specific physical feature which suits to its adaptations. Like for example, there is tiger. Tiger has sharp claws and teeth for feeding itself. As on the next page, I will give you the solved exercise of this question. Okay, dear students, now I want you all to open up your copies and note down question number 2. Why are plants so important to life on the earth? You will have to write down the answer of this. I have given the answer and you just have to note down it. Okay, dear students, this is another question. Question number 3. What are adaptations that is relevant to our today's topic? So, which you have already read about. So, just note down the answer of this question in your copies too, along with question number 2 and 1, which had already been sent in the previous lecture. Okay, dear students, now that's all about today's lecture. Now I want you to read out page number 47, 48, and 49 relevant to the topic adaptations, and then do question number 6 of exercise on your book, page number 55, and then do write question number 2 and question number 3 of recall questions in your notebooks. That's all about today's lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.